Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. Okay, first things first, if you want to get different shields, just follow these tips that are easy and not impossible to do. First is complete daily tasks. Daily tasks and challenges offer instant access to some shield skins. Log in daily and finish these challenges as they may provide free rewards. Second tip is participate in short game competitions. Event and competitions are frequently added and they usually last for a few days. And many of these events offer free shield skins too. Third is achieve top rankings in tournaments. Join limited time tournaments where you compete against other players. Earn tournament currency and reach higher ranks to unlock various rewards including shield skins. Fourth is progress on fresh game boards. Players can purchase dice, money, and shields from the in-game store to expedite their progress in Monopoly. Fifth and last is exploring new content. Keep an eye out for new content updates from the game creators. They may introduce new shield skins and themes for players to acquire. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now get different shields in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.